Hi friends, welcome back to another short video. Today we are installing some solar lights on the side of the house as well as some outdoor plugs. This is so needed. Our house is completely dark as soon as the sun goes down, and there is no light around the house whatsoever. So these were a great find. The solar lights my husband purchased on Amazon in a 6-pack. So we did 3 on one side of the house and 3 on the other side. They are motion censored, and you can actually change the settings to make them a dim light constantly, and then when there is motion detected, it turns bright, which is perfect. And we installed them in between the windows, about height of 5 feet, so that if anything walks by or if you are walking by at night, it will illuminate the side of the house. And then we focused our attention to the outdoor plugs, which we had no plugs on the outside of the house. There were pipes run, but there were no wires in the pipes. So we had to fish all of the wires from our panel inside the house to each of the outdoor pipes, which took a little bit, but well worth it, since now we're able to have plugs outside to use any kind of machinery or a power washer or anything that needs to be plugged in. So he found these at the electrical store here in Portugal, and we were able to install them, and they each have a cover, which is really great with all of the rain that we get. They are going to come in so handy. Anyways, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.